Amazing facts about the ups and downs of elevators. Elevators are a common part of our daily lives. But did you know that more than 2 centuries ago, these mechanical devices were steam-powered and death-defying? From their ancient origins to the many places they might take us in the future, let's take a look at 6 amazing facts about elevators. The humble elevator. The elevator is a surprisingly ancient invention. The primitive elevator was invented by the Greek mathematician Archimedes in 236 BC, according to the writings of the ancient Roman engineer Vitruvius. Big. They are often used to tie ropes on ships. Elevators join the list of other amazing ancient inventions, including such wonders as the world's first steam engine and the world's first computer. Before the rise of elevators, the most desirable floors were those closest to the ground. The first building to include elevators in the design phase was the 130-foot-tall Equitable Life Building in midtown Manhattan, built in 1870. Society was also slow to adapt to the elevator, and the building was designed to appear to have fewer floors than it did. The insurance company that worked in the building still occupied the valuable lower floors, while the upper floors were enjoyed by the trustee. The shift to elevators did not reach its peak until the 1920s, when the decade's economic boom led to a wave of construction projects in New York City and other cities around the world. Elisha Graves Otis founded the Otis Elevator Company, a manufacturing company that is still in business today. Otis invented a safety device that prevents the elevator car from falling over if the cable fails. Prior to Otis' invention, elevators were a serious means primarily intended for moving goods in factories and warehouses. In 1854, Otis introduced his safety lift at New York City's Crystal Palace, also known as the Exposition of the Industry of All Nations. This enhanced safety feature helped influence public opinion by showing that elevators could be a safe medium for vertical transportation. Elevators today are statistically much safer than stairs. For decades, operating an elevator was considered a highly skilled job that required years of study in some parts of the world, such as Germany. In the late 19th century, elevators were operated using shipper ropes, and operators were trained to precisely time these ropes to be pulled to get to the correct floor. A well-trained operator was highly desirable, as it made the difference between a smooth ride or a death-defying start-stop mixture. Over the decades, the elevator operator's job has become increasingly automated. In the early days, elevators only ran at 40 feet per minute. After more than 150 years of innovation, the world's fastest elevator can travel at up to 67 miles per second. The elevator was originally installed by Japanese company Japan in 2015, allowing it to cross the track from the second floor to the 119th floor of the tower in just 53 seconds.